If humidifier shopping has turned into scary claims and too many look-alike boxes, here's the baby room setup: 1 nursery humidifier. Quick answer: the Levoit LV600S Smart Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier is the pick because it has a big, scrub-friendly tank and less midnight fiddling. No humidifier is maintenance-free. Choose for cleaning, capacity, controls, and daily realism. For a nursery, I'd start with the Levoit LV600S Smart Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier. Buy it if you want one grown-up looking machine for a baby room now and a kid room later. The big tank can run overnight, and the wider design is easier to get your hand into when it's cleaning time. The app and auto humidity controls help when you don't want to sneak in and adjust buttons. The catch: it still needs frequent scrubbing. Distilled water makes more sense here, and setup means using the VE-Sync app. Skip it if you want cute nursery decor or you know cleaning won't happen. Quick split: for most baby rooms, the Levoit LV600S is the setup. It makes sense if you want strong nursery coverage, an easier tank to clean, overnight runtime, and remote controls. The trade is upkeep, cleaning, distilled water, and an app account. Before you buy, be honest about maintenance. Empty and clean it often, plan for distilled water, and place it where cords, mist, and refills won't become a daily annoyance. A humidifier only helps if you'll actually keep it clean. So if you're unsure, start with the Levoit LV600S. It's a practical nursery pick if you want capacity, easier scrubbing, and controls you can manage without waking the room. Pass if the app or upkeep already sounds annoying. Links are in the description.